You have an astonishing campaign running with Brad Pitt.
Yes.
TV campaign. Could you tell us something about it?
The idea was to show to ourselves, and to the possible customer, but also to the general community, that we were big. So we were still not considered. We were considered a good company, someone coming, but we were not yet perceived as someone that can really face and challenge Deutsche Telekom or Arco, that were considered a big one. And the problem was also that, having a shorter history compared with Deutsche Telekom and Arco, we had also less time to build up our brand awareness. So our brand awareness was growing fast, but we were not yet at the level of these two other companies. So we really sat down and say, okay, we have to do something big. We have to do something big. We have also to, and this will help us also in underlying the Alice concept. So we don't have always to use only Vanessa and the female face, but we can also use only the brand itself. So we sat down and we started to think what we can do, and we had a short list of the biggest, so usual George Clooney, Brad Pitt, whatever. And what was really fitting for us was the fact that Brad Pitt has a good image in terms of family and so on. That is something that we are also searching to add to our brand. And so this was the reason, and we were lucky because as soon we have tried to get in touch with him and to propose this, he accepted. So we were quite astonished. We were thinking, okay, so let's try and see what's happened. Then we have other possibility, but he liked the project, and so everything was very fast. In 2 months, we have invented everything, closed the contract, and done the TV spot.
How does this campaign work on the market? Do you have any results yet?
Yes, we had an incredible success in terms of increase of brand awareness. So we increased the brand awareness by 15 percentage point, reaching levels that are close to Deutsche Telekom and like Hardcore in, let's say, 1 month. And this has been a real success. We never saw an increase of brand awareness so strong in the past with the same media spending. So this was a success. A lot of people remember it, and a lot of people was astonished in seeing Brad Pitt. So the first idea to have something strong, something that would have positioned ourselves as a big one, worked quite well. And yes, at the end, we are really happy regarding the success of the complete story, and it's not yet finished, so we will go ahead.
So Brad Pitt will stay a testimonial for Alice, or?
No, let's say this can be quite expensive. Let's say we can be one of the biggest, or to play a big role, but not continuously. Let's say then we have to match reality. No, but what we have done is still there. So we have still some material, and we have the rights that are going on in 2009. So we will not change our position in this one.
Of course, it will be tough to top Brad Pitt, because.
But it's necessary. So this is the question. So we have done it, and I think in future we are even more free.
Yeah. How about the DSL market in Germany? How tough do you think is it?
There is a clear war in this moment, and let's say until last year, German market was a little bit sleeping compared with other market, and was not the one where the price was really running. But in reality, I think that in this moment is the toughest. price went down to the lowest level that there are in Europe, but on top of this there is a real strong promotional activity. There are new entrants like Vodafone, there is Cable Deutschland that is very strong. Is a market that where you have to be very good in doing everything, spending less as possible to be efficient and to deliver what the customer want. So,
could you tell the media community something more detailed about Alice? Who came up with the idea to, let's say, pick up this name? How was it formed?
The idea came when Telecom Italia bought Hansenet, and we had a basic problem. It was how we are going to call ourselves in Germany. And we thought that Hansenet was not the right brand, but also Telecom Italia was not the right brand. And obviously we thought was wrong to build up a new company with a new name. So what we tried is to follow somehow what Bayersdorf is doing with Nivea. So to build up a product with and to push and to advertising this product. And don't advertise the company that is behind this product. So we remain Hansenet, but the product is the only thing that we are communicating, and the product is Alice. So we came to Alice in this.
There are worldwide some efforts to, let's say, work on flat rates, because some people think that the flat rate as we knew it or know it will not survive for a long time. What do you think about that?
No, I don't think so. Honestly, I really think that is quite normal now that every one of us has a sort of always on connection at home and is switching on the computer or switching on the television, and the service is always there. And there are coming more and more applications like video surveillance or things like that, where you need to have always on connection. I really don't think this will change.